Do you feel nervous when starting a conversation in English? You are not alone. Many learners worry about saying the wrong thing. But remember, confidence does not mean being perfect. It means being willing to try. Starting a conversation can be very simple. A friendly hello, how are you is often enough. If you are meeting someone for the first time, you can say, Hi, I'm Rifat. Nice to meet you. Next, ask any questions. People enjoy talking about familiar topics. You might ask, Where are you from? What do you do? Or how was your day? These questions help the conversation flow naturally. Now, here is an important tip. Listen carefully. Good conversations are not just about speaking, they are about listening and responding. Show interest, smile, and maintain comfortable eye contact. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Every conversation is practice, and every mistake is a step towards fluency. So, next time you have the chance, take a deep breath, start the conversation, and speak with confidence. The more you practice, the easier it becomes.